Now, let's get themes. One of the themes I see is, if you look at lack of financial support from spouses, unemployment, lack of a stable source of income, all those point out to financial issues. If I go to codes now, I talk about financial issues as a theme. Create, and we created this financial . Okay, and then I can add a memo. I want to describe what this theme means. For themes, we have to add a description. This represents all financial issues that cause stress on pregnant women. Click OK. That's the description. Now that's a theme. Now, because financial issues is a theme, we are going to give it its own color so that we assign everything related to financial issues there. I want to use red for that. Drag and drop unemployment, drag and drop lack of a stable source of income. It's a financial issue. All of this now I think should be blue, because let's use blue for that. Lack of financial support from spouses, it's a financial issue. Drag and drop it under financial issues. Anything else related to financial issues? Under the theme of financial issues, you can see we have so many issues like lack of financial support, lack of stable source of income, and unemployment. These three codes have a shared meaning that points to the theme of financial issues. Let's form another theme.